Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the Shuziyu, and this is a fiber cement board, Hardie plank, saw blade. So let me show you guys what this is and how it works. So kind of open it up here. It's in there. So it looks like it's, what was it, 6.5 inches or so? I think is what this style, yep, 6.5 inches. So it is, so if you've done any kind of like fiberboard cutting or something like that, you don't use just a traditional saw blade because it'll just kick stuff up everywhere and just not be good. So what this one here has, let me open it up, you can kind of see it's, it's not super sharp except for like these little parts here, but it gives you the ability to just cut through whatever with this, and it won't be just shooting up crap everywhere or just kill your blade, because this one here is its own little hardened blade. So really cool. Actually, it looks pretty cool. But you can see it's like a twist blade one, and it's, what did I say it was, 6.5 inches? 6.5 inches. So this is what you need if you need it. So totally awesome. So if you're gonna be cutting some fiberboard and stuff, you get one of these for sure. Thumbs up.